So hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. The topic for today's video is to get an online editor for pixel art. So for making pixel art you can use Photoshop or Aseprite, and there are many software available for you, but they are paid. So I have come across today on an online editor that can help you to make free pixel images. So the website name is Pixel, and I have put the website link in the description below. So as you can see, it is a free online sprite editor. So Pixel is a free online editor and for animation and pixel art. So as you can see, here are the examples for the using this software. So you can also use this offline version, so that you can use it on offline by downloading a software, or you can also use it online. And by using it online, it will provide you a private gallery so that you can store your sprites or animation that you have made. So let's get to our editor. So here is the editor. So as now so first we have pen tool that make you just draw pen. Here is the it will draw. This is a mirror tool that, as you can see, if I draw here, it is also drawn here also. So this is a paint tool, it will help us to paint. And this is paint all pixel of the same color. So if you do this, change the color, so all the pixels having black color will change to red color. So here, so then we have this eraser tool. It will help you to draw straight lines or a bit slant line. This is the rectangle tool. So here is the selection tool. You can select. So this is the very best tool of this. So if you do pixel art, you know what's highlighting. So if you want to highlight, if you want to highlight light and color, you have to just drag it. As you can see, it is highlighted. If you wanted to highlight it dark, you have to press Ctrl key and then drag it. So it is not seen here. So now let me again do this. So if you want to highlight, just drag this. If you want to highlight it dark, you have to just press Ctrl key and then drag it. And this is the color picker tool. It helps you to pick your color. So let's get over here. So this will manage your frames per second, so how fast your animation will move. This is the onion skin. It give you a reference from the previous frame. So if I click on it, it will activate, and here you can see it give me some reference of the last frame. So here is the layer. You can add as many layer you want. These are the transform. You can flip it, rotate it, clone it, and you can align it center. So here it automatically creates a palette of color that you have used. So you can customize. You want to enable grid mode or on grid mode, and you can you can choose the grid size as 1 pixel, 2 pixel, 3 pixel, and 4 pixel. By default it is 1. And you can also define grid spacing and grid color also. So you can define the background, it will change the background color. You can also optimize the layer opacity from your choice. So the maximum, so you can also define maximum frames per second. and you can also define the format. So you can resize this working space by 32 by 32, 64 by 64, or any, and you can also customize it. You have to just type what size you want, and then you will have to click on resize. So as you can see, it is resized. So um, so you can save on the save in browser and save as .pixel. In export, it have many options. This is the best part of this. You can scale your sprite or image animation as much as you like. So as you can see, you can scale it as as you want. You can also get a zip file of your animation. So so by here you can type its name and give it a zip. You can download it as a zip file. So in PNG you have also many options. You can spreadsheet layout options, spreadsheet file export, spreadsheet data URI export, and you can also download a single frame, that is selected frame export. So you can also download your animation as GIF. So if you click on this option, loop repeatedly, it works as it looks like it is a GIF. So as you can see, it is a very good alternative of the Photoshop, but it have some less features than Photoshop, but it can help you to start making pixel drawing, and it is completely free, and it is easy to use for beginners as it has very simple user interface. So that's the end for this video. So if you want to ask me any question or make a video on any topic, you can comment down below, and thank you for watching this video.